Hello, students. Today's lesson is going to be learning our numbers from 31 to 100. What we would like for you to do is take out your other numbers that we learned all the way to 30 on, and we're simply going to write down the words for 30, 40, 50, 60, etc. Because once you see how the pattern works, I think you're going to feel pretty confident that you would be able to use any of these numbers from 31 to 100. So make sure you have that vocabulary out on your desk and something to write with, and let's get started. Remember to please stop this video at any time if you need to write the word down. Here we go. So our first word is going to be for 30, and we say that 30. We already learned that. But what I want you to look at is anytime we make the word 31 or 32, etc., you will notice that we say the word 30. We're going to put the letter Y. This letter Y right here means and. And then, of course, uno is one. So 31 is 31. Same thing for 32. 32. It's literally saying 30 and 2. And then 33. 33. Now, something really good about the Spanish numbers is there's no exceptions to the rule. There's no danger zones. There's no numbers that are written backwards. Every single number to 100 will follow this pattern. So that'll make your life a lot easier. Let's continue. So for 40, the word is 40, 40. And I've chosen a couple of numbers underneath just so that you can look and see what the pattern would look like. 50, 50. You can see that it's based on the word cinco. Again, it's pronounced 50. There's you some examples of how those would be constructed in the 50s. 60 is 60, much like the number 6. Again, 60. 70 is 70. You want to make sure that there's the T sound there because 60 and 70 sound very similar. So you have to be very articulate when you say 70 and 60 so that your listener knows what number you're saying. 80, 80, like ocho, of course, 80. 90, 90, 90. And then 100 is simply going to be the word cien, cien. So just to recap that, make sure that you've double checked your spelling on all those numbers that you just wrote down specifically. Let's go over pronunciation one more time. It's 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Okay, make sure you hold on to that vocabulary so you can use it on our activities for the next couple of lessons. Thank you. Have a good day.